This is Disney Classics Code Bed. I'm going to show you how to assemble this. So first thing, you need to assemble the mattress frame to the in frame. And make sure the in frame, the slide rail, is facing inside. Insert the bolt and make sure you line it up and tighten it. Okay, once one side is completed, do the same for the other end. Time to add the drop side panel. So we need to remove this rubber on the pin. Do the same for all the 4 pins. Okay, we need to insert this drop side panel by aligning the pins, this pin to this rail from top to the bottom, on the other pin as well. Okay, repeat this process for the other side as well. So this top needs to go into the guide rail, and same for this one. So at this point we might have to loosen up this bolt we just screwed earlier, so this side drop plate can go in. So align the top pin into the slot, push it in. And same goes for this side. Okay, now you need to tighten the mattress frame again. Okay, now bring the cord to stand upright, and we can add a fixed side plate just by inserting it between these 2 spaces. Put the bolts in, one on the top and one on the bottom, and align the panel and tighten it. Okay, align the holes on the other side. Okay, and put a bolt through and tighten it. Okay, so time to add our caster wheels to the base. Push it in and do it same for all the other 4 corners. So the cord is now complete. Okay, this side rail can move down by lifting this up and at the same time push 2 buttons on the in. Okay, and this is the down position. And to move it up, simply just lift it, this side plate, and bring it up.